We wanted to make ReSpace more than a contest, an experience that would change people. And I think that tying it to reuse has done that. I think that actually building the project has done that. We have designers, people that are in design school. We want them to have a chance to deal with the issue of working with salvaged materials. Because once they've done it once, I think they'll be more likely to do it again and again and again.
One of the things you have to do when you design with reused materials is kind of start in the middle. There's only a certain amount of things that are salvageable. There's only a certain amount of things that are going to be available in your area. So you have to have a little basic knowledge of just what is of the lexicon of your area, what kind of materials are available to you. You have to build your vocabulary. The power of reuse that you really end up with is the materials all have a story. They all come from somewhere. It's not just Lowe's and Home Depot, and the best story you might be able to get is who you ran into while you were shopping. But you get an idea that something came from your local area. It's got the history to it. It's got the history of a university behind it, or a homeowner that's been there for many years, or just the story of how it got into your possession, whether it's from an organization like Habitat, or you found it from a friend and you get to say, I bartered something for this, or whatever it is. It all comes with a little bit more depth. So what we did is we had picked 5 winners, and they were 5 overall winners from the jury. And there was no ranking, one was not better than the other. And once the jurors were finished, the build team got involved. And what we really wanted to do is hit a home run the first time. We looked through, we saw what was available. Obviously we wanted to pick something that people were really going to appreciate. We also wanted to pick something that was going to capture attention and be buildable out of the stuff here. I think the light wall portion of the light wall design, the bottle wall, is really something special that we really kind of all thought was neat and wanted to see happen. And then also not the simplicity of it, but I would say the minimalist side of it really made this design buildable. After working with the winners, we were able to get it down to essentially 5 panels that we were able to build out. My years of working with volunteers, I kind of understood how the 48-hour build was going to go, and so we really worked on the design and the build team, and everybody's skill set kind of got poured into this, so we're able to complete it in 48 hours.
It should be roughly about 2.5 rows.
You don't just win and get the prize, you win and you get it built. I mean, you can be a freshman year architecture student, but if your idea captures the jury and they pick it, you all of a sudden have this built project in your portfolio. And there's nothing as exciting as, especially for a designer, than having a concept and then seeing it in reality.